Hi, here's a tutorial on how to transfer these decals to your racks. So I'm going to start off with what you need to do is wipe down the excess dirt, dust. I've already done it on this side. Just make sure there's no debris, and it does come off a little bit, but that's okay. Once that's clean, take your transfer and just eyeball as nicely as you can where you want it, and you will take a dry erase and just make your little ticks, which I already did. Make your ticks, and then you take your transfer. So your transfer should look like this because they came from the same place. So one side you can see your lettering with bluish on the background, and then this is just white. So what you want to do is peel the blue part away. So blue, not sticky, this side sticky. So you're going to carefully peel the blue off. Carefully, and then the reason why I say carefully is because sometimes the letters want to come off onto the blue, and if that happens, then just simply put it back on and take it off very carefully where the letter was wanting to come off. So I'm carefully taking the blue off. Oh, there goes I think an I that wants to come off, so I'm gonna put it back. There it goes. Okay, blue's off. This is very sticky. If I were to drop this, then it's gonna be ruined. So you carefully go back to your ticks that you made and get it as close as you can to the ticks you made. So it'll be lined up. Oh. And then just get a good gauge there. And then you use this scraper. This is what we were talking about you needed earlier. This came from the printer that printed these decals. And you just go over each letter, make sure it's on the rack. Nice and, I don't know, nice and tight, nice and good. Make sure you get all the small letters, like the little dot. The smaller they are, the nicer, the harder you have to just make sure that it's on the rack instead of the paper. So next step, once it's all nice and pressed on there good, you simply take the paper and carefully just take the paper off. And once again, be sure that the letters do not come off on this paper. If they do, and you see like the I were just be still stuck on the paper, then simply go back up and then go down again and make sure every letter stays on the rack. Nice. And then rub off your ticks with your dry erase that you made. And voila!